Hello friends, welcome back to another video in this channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to create a restore point in Windows and I will explain why you need it. Have you ever installed an update or software and suddenly your PC started acting abnormal? What if I told you there is a magic button to undo all the mess? It's called a restore point and today I'll show you how to create one in just a few clicks. So let's go. What is a restore point? A restore point is like a time machine for your PC. If something goes wrong after an update or software installation, then you can roll back to the previous safe state. We need a restore point in couple of situations, like before installing a new software, before updating drivers, before making a big system changes, or before a Windows update. So basically, restore point is a safety net. If something goes wrong, then you can go to the previous state where everything is running smoothly. So to create a restore point, click on search button, type create a restore point. Here we cannot create a restore point because the protection is off. So we have to make sure the protection is on. For that, click on configure, click on turn on system protection, apply, okay. So now click on create, give the name of a restore point. So this is the name of my restore point. Click on create. So the restore points will be created in a second and my restore point is created successfully. So to check your system restore, you can go over here, system restore, press on next. So here we got the restore point that we created just now. So if you want to go back to this state, just click on next and finish if you ever have to. But now I'll just click on back. So now don't panic if something goes wrong. Just go to the restore point that we created. So that's it. Today we learned how to protect the PC from future problems using restore points. So if you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe the channel for more useful tips. I will see you in another video. Thank you.